Welcome back, traders. I hope all of you had a good trading week, logged in some profits, and now enjoying the well-deserved weekend somewhere nice. This week we had some good moves on the gold USD spot markets. It looks like the price started to normalize, and this is why we saw more and more good opportunities. And this is why I'm going to start the weekly video with a recap, analyzing this week moves on the gold market, all the setups, how could we traded it. And then the next part of the video is the usual forecast and prediction about what I think personally going to happen next week, what setups you need to look out for, and how can you trade those setups. And in the last part of the video, we need to talk about some serious things which bother me for a long time, but I didn't want to talk about it. But now it's time to put it out on the table. So please watch the video till the very end, because we are going to talk about some serious things. So let's start the weekly recap by looking into the technical analysis side of the trading. So currently we are on the gold USD spot 4-hour time frame. And you can see that previously in the past few weeks the price was really bearish, making lower highs and lower lows. And a couple of weeks ago I started to talk about possible trend reversal from the 1700 area, where I expected the price to break a descending trend line and make new higher highs and higher lows. So in the 1700 area I entered into 2 trades. Obviously I got burned because I got stopped out. But finally this week, the week started on the 8th of March, and this week Monday the price reversed from the 1678 area. It made a new lower low and then broke through this descending bearish trend line, immediately making a new higher high and higher low. And this is what I was waiting in the past couple of weeks, because for me this signals there might be a potential trend reversal. So finally, after weeks and weeks and weeks, we've been out from the bear market and we can see some nice swing opportunities to the upside. So as soon as the price broke through this descending bearish trend line, it made a higher low and a higher high. And then this week Friday it came back to retest the 1700 area. Now I posted an analysis in the private members area on Telegram, expecting the price from reverse either from the 1700 or the 1690 area. And you can see on the left hand side of the screen that I had 2 really good entry from the 1700 area, and it wasn't just me who catch this trade. There were some students in the group who made some really good profits, £5,000, £3,000. So well done for everyone who spotted the opportunity and traded. Now let's look into why do I expect the price to reverse from this level. If you go back to the daily time frame and look left on the chart, we marked weeks ago this blue rectangle, the consolidation area, which you can identify by the horizontal bottom and the horizontal top. So it's easy to draw up just a box basically. And I said that I expect the price to come down to right about the middle of the consolidation area, which is 1700, 1713 or 1717. But it came down to retest the bottom of the consolidation area, and you can see as soon as it tapped into the bottom of this area, the price just sharply reversed to the upside, and then with a massive wick came back to retest and made a higher low. Now if you look left again on the chart, you can see that after the price broke out from this consolidation area, we had a massive bull run with over, I don't know, 30,000 pips or something. So as soon as the price broke out from this consolidation area, which is a point of interest, you can see that its price skyrocketed to the upside. And this is why I expected again the price to tap into this, wouldn't call it liquidity zone, but it's a point of interest area, and sharply reverse to the upside. So as soon as the price tapped into the bottom of the consolidation area, the 1676 area, we already broke the bearish trend line, the descending trend line, and the price made a new higher low and higher high. So this was the analysis this week. We managed to catch about 300 pips on gold. Let me just see. So I had 2 trades entering here, currently floating about just under 300 pips. So this was the recap on the week. Now let's go into the forecast and prediction on what I expect on gold next week. because the price made a new higher low, I already started to draw my trend line, which you can see right here. And because I had 2 trades entering here, my first take profit level will be the previous high, and then the next one will be the 1750 area, which is a key support and resistance zone if you look left on the chart. So if the price hits my take profit level, let me just delete this. So I expect this will be the first destination, and next week hopefully we're going to see the same market structure we did in the past few weeks. So I expect the price to make new higher highs and high lows, creating a nice bullish market structure. If you see this happening on the gold USD spot market, you will have so many good opportunities to enter. All you have to do is follow this trend line and look at the market structure. Look left on the chart. If you can identify support and resistance made from higher highs or lower highs and lower lows, or any highs and any lows, if you can identify key support and resistance areas, you can find good opportunities to enter. All you have to do is eyeballing the chart, identifying the market structure, following the trend line, and obviously you can use other tools at your disposal. In my strategy, the students know exactly what tools they have to use and what things they have to look out for. And usually I give them a shout out if I see some good opportunities. The same way I did this week. So many people caught this, catch this trade from the 1700 area and made some good profit. So this is what I expect next week on gold. It's not magic or any rocket science. All you have to do is follow the price, read the market structure, and follow the trend. Obviously I expect some bigger correction now to the upside after this weeks long bearish market. So all of 2021 January was a bear market for gold. We had some good swing trades, well, not even swing, but we had some good opportunities, you know, with the counter trends going against the main trend. But now it's time for the bull run, because I explained in the previous video all the fundamentals. I'm not going to talk about in details about the fundamentals. You can rewatch the previous videos about why I expect and what things point to the direction that we're finally going to have a bull run on gold. Now, if this happens, and if you are able to catch the ride all the way back to 2000s, you're gonna make some really good profits. So all you have to do, follow the trend and look at the market structure. And now we arrive to the final point of this video, which bothers me for a long time, but now it's time to talk. So every single time I post something in Facebook, in any of the gold related Facebook groups, I post some of my videos to get more views. As soon as I post something into these groups, look at these scammers who comment under the videos. Now, if anyone offers you account management, they are scams. First of all, account management and money management in the European Union, as well as in the US and many other developed countries, illegal. If only people with the right qualifications can manage money for others, excluding family and friends, or actually just family. So anyone who asking you to provide you with money and they manage it for you, just say no. Please do not give your money away to anyone on the internet. So if you look at these comments, you can immediately see that these are scammers. So some people offering you $1,000 every single day with $200 deposit. Now this is ridiculous. You cannot achieve this only if you over leveraging your account and you're taking way much more risk than you should have. Let's go to the next one. This guy offering you free signals with 100% accuracy. I'm trading ATS and I guarantee that no one is 100% accurate. So these claims are just ridiculous, guys. But even if you read further, you can see the same copy and paste text appearing from different people. Free signals, 100% accuracy, account management, money management. And the reason why I wanted to talk about this is because I have so many people reaching out to me on a daily basis, 2, 3 and 5 people. Every single day I get messages that they were scammed and they lost serious money. And some of these people have families and you know, these people are uneducated in forex trading, in financial markets, and they were gambling money, and they were scammed by these people, because these scammers, they promising you the world that you're gonna be a millionaire overnight, and you cannot trade on the financial markets without any education. Otherwise you are going to lose money. And these people, some of them, they're offering you to teach you how to trade forex, but would you trust anyone who posting this shit on Facebook or Instagram or whichever platform? Please do not give out any of your money. Again, account management and money management for others, it's illegal in the European Union as well as in the United States and any developed countries. If anyone is offering you money management, make sure you check out their background. Any reliable forex mentor or educator or account manager have transparent website background showing their qualifications. If you go to my website, I do not offer any signal service or any account management, so do not message me. I'm not going to manage any money. I don't provide any signals. But the things you need to look out for is, if anyone offering you any financial service, go to their website, make sure they have enough information about their previous past, the places where they worked before. You can go on LinkedIn. I have my LinkedIn button right here at the bottom of the page. You can see the qualifications, and just some pictures of my previous background, which people can make up pictures on the internet. I've seen so many shit, but you can see the difference between someone is being transparent and someone is being just a scammer and offering you ridiculous claims that they're gonna flip your account from $200 to $1,000 every single day. And if you go to any of these people or any of these scammers Facebook page or website, I guarantee that they're not going to talk about a previous track record, education, and what qualifications they have. And don't forget, if anyone offers you account management, they have to have the right licenses and they have to approved by the local regulator, for example by the SEC in the US or the FCA in the United Kingdom, because money management and account management is a regulated market. So once again, the main message I wanted to put through, guys, please do not give out any of your money to strangers on the internet. You don't know who are these people. They're trying to scam you and take the money from you. The best way is obviously investing in your education pays the best interest in the long term. And forex trading, stock trading, commodities, futures, any capital markets won't make you rich overnight. It takes consistent learning and sacrifice and years of study. So it's definitely possible. I know people who made really well and still making good money from FTMO or just trading on their own account, but it's a long process, and you have to understand, you have to have reasonable expectations about how quick you can make good money. Well, it's going to take you months and years, but if you invest in your future and if you learn enough books, go to university or any finance course, but educate yourself. Don't try to take the easy way by giving out money to these scammers on Telegram or any of the pages. Make sure you be aware of who you're dealing with on the other side of the internet. So this was my weekly video, guys. We had a recap on gold. I explained what happened this week and how did this bearish trend line and bearish trend was broken this week. And we talked about the forecast and what I expect this week. Well, obviously I couldn't give you any accurate signals because the price is still in the middle of the move, but this week or next week I would expect the price give us some really nice bullish market structure. So all you have to do, just to recap quickly, is follow the trend line, and more importantly follow the market structure, because the trend lines can be broken. So if I put this trend line here, if you would have followed this trend line, it was broken, but if you look on the chart, the market structure wasn't broken because this was the low, this was the high, and the price made a higher low. So the price failed to break the market structure, and this is why I continue to expect some bullish move this week. So stay safe, guys, make some good profits, and if you have any questions you can go to my website and reach out to me on Telegram. And stay safe, do not give out your money to anyone on the internet. Thank you.